Hi, everyone, and welcome to Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and if you're new here, I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and share what this channel is all about. Guys Craft 2 began with a simple idea. Crafting isn't just for one type of person. Creativity belongs to everyone. My first video was posted on June 1st of 2023, and since then, this channel has become a place where I can share my passion for making things. From Cricut projects and home decor to crochet, cross stitch, and wreath making, I've always enjoyed creating. But my true passion is sewing and quilting. I'm certainly not a master quilter, and I certainly don't claim to know everything. What I am is someone who loves learning, trying new techniques, making mistakes, and sharing that journey along the way. Around here, you'll see successes, challenges, laughter, and probably a few visits from my seam ripper. As a proud member of the LGBT community and someone who deeply appreciates our military veterans and those active service members, I believe creativity has the power to bring people together. No matter our backgrounds, experiences, or skill levels, we all have something valuable to share and learn from one another. What you'll also find is a community built on kindness, inclusivity, and encouragement. This isn't a place for negativity, judgment, or the quilt police. We welcome beginners, experienced makers, and everyone in between. No matter who you are or where you are on your creative journey, there's a seat for you here. If you're looking for a place to learn, be inspired, share a few laughs, and connect with fellow crafters, I'd love for you to join us. Be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and join me during our weekly live streams. Thank you for stopping by, and remember, at Guys Craft 2, everyone is welcome, creativity is celebrated, and the journey is always more fun when we take it together. Until next time, happy crafting!